When I was 9 years old, my mom used to tell me never to trust anyone. I never understood what she meant until I became 12. I didn't know she was only trying to tell me there are different kinds of people in our world due to our diversity. People you think you trust might be the one to disappoint you, and people you never expected might just come out to be the people you can trust the most. Ever since then till now, I have come to realize four categories of people myself. The first set of people I've realized, these are the people you think you can trust, people you think can be in your life. These are the people, even in the moment of your trials, they are there to support you. They are there to show you love. Those people, remember, they are humans. They can only try their best to be with you. So you see those moments, cherish it. Appreciate them. Cherish those presents. For these kind of people are hard to come by. These people are really your people. The second category of people I've come to realize, these are the people who will only be in your life because of how successful you've become, because how fair life has been to you. They don't really love you, they don't really care about you. They only want to be there to enjoy what you have, to enjoy what you've become. As soon as things start to go as they don't expect, they will leave you. They will dump you. You say these people, they are not your people. Never allow this kind of people in your life. The third category of people I've come to realize are the ones I'm afraid of the most. These are the parasitic ones. They are only there in your life to cause you harm, to cause you pain. Either you are facing many trials of life or you've become successful. They don't care because they know you are weak, so they will keep on feeding on your weakness. You can't even chase these people out of your life. But you know what you can do? Don't just walk away, run away from those people. For if you don't, they will keep on feeding on you. They will keep on eating you up until nothing is left of you. These people are not your people. The fourth category of people I've come to realize, these are the people who will show you their real color, their true color, when things is going as unexpected in your life, when you are facing many trials of life. No wonder Moniba Masari once said something about these people, that people will leave you when you are facing many trials of life. But hey, don't blame them. Appreciate them for being truthful. Actually, it's true. I agree with that. Appreciate them for being truthful. They didn't pretend. They have the courage to tell you who they really are. So they will leave you when you are facing many trials of life. But do you know the only person that will be there with you, even in times of trials, or when you are happy, in times of joy? This person never left you for once, always there. He's not just the noisy type. He's always there to tell us what to do. He's always there to advise. He's always there to motivate, to inspire. This person is not just you, but the real you. I mean the inner you, your instincts. Your instincts never left you for once. Let's trust our instincts. Let's love our instincts, for that is the best love you can get. He never betrays. He never dumps. Trust in your instinct today.